Reading and Use of English Part 3. Part 3 of the Reading and Use of English paper contains a text with 8 gaps where the word or phrase has been removed. Each gap will be paired with a word in bold and capital letters in a separate column to the side of the text. These are the stem words. The main focus is on vocabulary. Use the stem word as a basis on which to form the word that would best fill the gap. Each correct answer will receive 1 mark. Let's try an example together. In this case, the stem word is common, an adjective. But for this sentence, we need a word that describes how garlic is used. In other words, we need an adverb. To create the adverb, we can simply add the ending ly to the stem word. This creates the word commonly. Once you have the correct form of the word, write it in the corresponding text box on the answer sheet. Make sure you put only 1 letter in each box and use only capital letters. Keep in mind that some answers may require changes to the stem word itself, and not just the addition of a prefix or a suffix. For example, if you need to change the adjective long into a noun, you would need to transform the stem word into length. In this section, the correct form of the word may depend on the meaning of the sentence. For example, the stem word might need to be in the plural or in a negative form. So pay attention to the context to determine if your answer makes sense not only grammatically but also logically. Let's look at this example. First of all, we need to transform surprise into an adjective, which would be surprising. However, surprising does not make sense in this sentence. The entire film is cliché and predictable, which means that the scene is probably not surprising at all. Therefore, we need a word that expresses the opposite of surprising, which would be unsurprising. Tips. The best way to prepare for Part 3 of the Reading and Use of English paper is to develop your vocabulary. Create your own personal system for recording new words that you encounter when reading or watching videos in English. There are great apps and web browser extensions that allow you to create vocabulary lists that you can then review on the app or transform into flashcards. Or maybe you learn best with a pen and paper. Find the strategy that works best for you.